Learn the sounds.
Aprender los sonidos de la seguridad contra incendios.
Se pou tande son sa, pou di fè nan kay lan. La ou tande sa, se pou soti nan kay lan.
May I have your attention, please? May I have your attention, please? A fire has been reported in the building.
Learn the sounds.
Learn the sounds.
Learn the sounds of fire safety.
Learn the sounds of fire safety.
Learn the sounds of fire safety.